Here's another great RV from RV Country.
Hi, my name's Mackenzie, and today we're looking into the Wildwood Heritage Glen HL 27RKHL by the Forest River. Let's go take a look.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. Now, just like a brochure, this video is just a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. For every RV made, just like a home, there are many variations of features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications, so it's important to contact one of our team members today for actual details about this floor plan. Take note of the clever ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage. Of course, we can't show you everything in this short video. You really have to come in and see for yourself to fully appreciate all this RV has to offer.
Here at RV Country, we're all about creating fun family memories. And RVing is one of the most economical ways to create those memories. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're here to help, because with dealerships in 5 states, you're sure to find an RV Country dealership close to you. So be sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to see new videos. And with over 1,200 RVs to choose from, RV Country has one of the West's largest selections. Whether it's new or used, you'll find almost every make and model made today at RV Country.